Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be making a video of me shooting a water bottle full of water and seeing if it explodes. Hope you enjoy this video. Now I'm going to get my gun to shoot the water bottle with, and here it is. We're going to show you the gun when I get out, okay? So, I made it out, and now I'm gonna take it out. So, I'm gonna be shooting the water bottle with, this gun. So here's what the gun looks like. It has a bunch of BBs in it, so we're just gonna see if this works. So we're gonna go shoot the bottle, and now
you gotta pump your thing up.
Can you point it at the...
I'm gonna put it over there by it, so you're gonna have to pump it. Is it already? You gotta pump it and get it ready. Come over here and get close. How many times have you got it pumped up?
Hi.
Hang on, whoa. Let me see it. Just a minute.
Here is the water bottle. It's full of water, and my dad's puffing up the BB gun I showed you guys, and we're gonna shoot this water bottle.
Be careful is what you're gonna do. Nope. I had this sitting on there perfect. Watch where you're pointing that thing.
My dad's setting it up on the swing.
Let me see this.
And
get back.
He's gonna hold the phone.
No, I'm not. Just a minute. You know what? Just a minute. Come here. Whoa.